Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Blair, and today we're kind of going to do a yard work vlog. So I have these covers that I put on the vents of the base of my house to keep my floors warm in the winter, so I'm going to go get those off because the temperatures look like we're going to stay consistently in the 50s to 60s in the morning, or at night. So those need to come off. I need to mow, I need to weed whack, I want to get my flag out to go back on the front porch, and then probably get my patio table cleaned and set up so that's ready to go. But I just thought I'd take you along while I do a little bit of yard work, and I'll show you what I'm doing.
Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running through my fantasies. 40 west, I'm doing 93. Tell me where the sparks come from. Don't know, did we both bring some? Doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic.
Alright, ignore the mess in my garage, but we're gonna go out now. I got some branches I need to pick up from the last storm that we had. And then I also want to pull some vines off the side of the house because as pretty as they are damaging to the house. And I don't want that because that's costly. So let's go take care of that.
Baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. It's magic. Superstitious with a blind of faith. When we disappear and levitate. Now I know what this was.
So here's the vines that I was talking about. So we're gonna try to rip all these off so they don't damage the siding or the, I guess, brick underneath.
Come from one touch, I was so far gone. Still something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Voodoo, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic. Figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. I'm just trying to figure out. It's magic. I'm just trying to figure out what happened. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic.
So here is after. And I will say that I am very glad that I did that. It was actually a lot of work. And it was already growing under the siding, which not a great sign. So I'm glad I got those pulled out now before they got any worse. But I think next will be to start mowing. Maybe I'll do weed whacking and then mow simply because the grass is still a little damp. So, but I'm gonna go put away the garden cart, probably take a quick break, drink some water, and then I will start on weed whacking next.
Baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic.
So I like to use the Ryobi stuff for like yard work. I have a leaf blower, the weed whacker, and then like a hedge trimmer. And I like that they're battery operated. So I'm gonna go start weed whacking the front yard so that way I can mow after.
Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running through my fantasies. 40 west, I'm doing 93. Tell me where the sparks come from. Don't know, did we both bring some? Doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Voodoo, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic. Figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. I'm just trying to a blind of faith. When we disappear and levitate, now I know where the sparks come from. One touch, I was so far gone. Still something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Voodoo, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sun shine through. You're just like magic. Figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. I'm just trying to figure out. It's magic. I'm just trying to figure out what happened. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Voodoo, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sun shine through. You're just like magic. Figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. I'm just trying to figure out. It's magic. Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running through my fantasies. 40 West, I'm doing 93. Tell me where the sparks come from. Don't know, did we both bring some? Doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Voodoo, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sun shine through. You're just like magic. Figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. I'm just trying to figure out. It's magic. Superstitious with a blind of faith. When we disappear and levitate, now I know where the sparks come from. One touch, I was so far gone. Still something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Voodoo, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sun shine through. You're just like magic. Figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. I'm just trying to figure out. It's magic. I'm just trying to figure out what happened. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic.
Alright, so I'm gonna put the mower away, probably move the table and get the umbrella out so that's set up. And then I need a shower and I need some food because I am hungry and it is almost noon, so just in time.
Voodoo, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sun shine through. You're just like magic. Figure out something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running through my fantasies. 40 West, I'm doing 93. Tell me where the sparks come from. Don't know, did we both bring some? Doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Voodoo, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sun shine through. You're just like magic. Figure out what I'm just trying to figure out. I'm just trying to figure out. It's magic.
Alright, so I'm done with the yard work, at least what I'll be doing for today. I'll add chairs later to the patio table when I go to use it. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this here because I really want to shower and I want to eat some food. But I hope everybody enjoyed watching my yard work and I hope you have a blessed day.